Are you tired of your website languishing in the depths of Google? In the cutthroat world of 2024, traditional SEO is dead. It's time to harness the power of AI to dominate search results and leave your competitors in the dust. Get ready to transform your business. This is AI SEO Mastery. Search engines are smarter than ever thanks to AI. They understand content, context, and user intent better than any human could. Generic keywords and spammy tactics won't cut it anymore. AI rewards quality, relevance, and user experience. Let's get into the nitty-gritty. Here's how AI turbocharges your SEO. Topic mastery. AI tools help you map out comprehensive content clusters that prove your expertise to search engines. Hyper-optimized content. AI analyzes your competitors and suggests how to create content that blows them out of the water. Smart link building. Forget shady backlink schemes. AI identifies authoritative, relevant sites to target for natural backlinks. Don't get overwhelmed. Here are some incredible tools that are already accessible. AI is powerful, but don't forget the human factor. Your insights and creativity are irreplaceable. Use AI outputs as a springboard to craft content that's truly unique and engaging. Search engines and your audience will thank you. Ready to level up your SEO game? Don't let AI pass you by. Want to learn more? Visit for in-depth AI SEO strategies and tutorials. Subscribe for more cutting-edge SEO tips. Let's propel your business to the top together.